To assign students work, you're going to go into your library. From your library, you're going to locate the lesson that you want to assign. So I'm going to take Cookie Addition and I want to assign it to my students. I click Action and then I click Assign. From there, you'll see a list of all of my classes that I could assign it to. I could assign it to one particular class, or I could click on all of my classes and assign it to each of my classes. So if you're teaching multiple sections, as long as you have a class made for each section, you can assign it to them. Once you click Assign, what I like to do is I also like to go to Hyperlink and copy and paste this hyperlink and add it into my Google Classroom or have it open on a computer if I'm using Boom Learning in school. So students will go straight into this hyperlink and it will prompt them to sign in to be able to play. So again, you're going to go to Actions, you're going to go to Assign. You're going to select the classes you want to assign it to, and if you'd like to post it on any LMS, you go to Hyperlink, you copy the hyperlink, and you share this hyperlink with your students.